How to recover old WhatsApp account without a SIM. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just open up WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, and then what you want to do once you've opened up WhatsApp, just go to the settings, scroll down, click on help, go to help center, and then scroll down until you see contact support. So just click on that. And then from here, what you want to do is you just type in that you want to recover your old WhatsApp account. So let's say I want to recover an old WhatsApp account, but I don't have the SIM anymore. And then after that, you can now click on next. And then after that, just click on send my question to WhatsApp support. And then there you go. So it says right here, thanks for your message. Your ticket number is that. And then we are reviewing your issue and will respond to you as soon as possible. So yeah, all I have to do is just wait until the WhatsApp support replies to your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.